Welcome back. We're still on arithmetic sequences. We're doing example 3. Determine the arithmetic sequence if the sixth term is 23 and the 12th term is 53. So if you check this question, we are given two sets of information. The information about the sixth term and then the information about the 12th term. Okay, so what should we do here? We have to create two equations using this information. And then we're going to solve for our A and D. A being the first term, D being the constant difference. Let's start with the sixth term. Remember, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D, right? And then T6. T6 is going to be what? T6 is equal to A plus 5D. And then T12 is equal to A plus 11D, because 5 here is coming from 6 minus 1, 11 there is coming from 12 minus 1, okay, from n minus 1 here, right? And then we have the sixth term, which is 23, so we're saying 23 is equal to A plus 5D. That's our equation 1. Then here T12 is 53, so 53 is equal to A plus 11D. That's equation 2. Then we can solve these simultaneously. Okay, you can use elimination. I usually prefer substitution, but if you can use elimination, you can go ahead and use it here. Let's do substitution. We're going to create equation 3 from equation 1. Let's say equation 3 from equation 1. We'll say this is A is going to be what? A is equal to 23 minus 5D. 23 minus 5D. This is our equation 3. And then we substitute our 3 into 2. Where there's A there, we're going to put 23 minus 5D. So 53 is equal to 23 minus 5D plus 11D. Okay. And then negative 5D plus 11D, that is 6D. 53 minus 23, that is 30. 30 is equal to 6D, right? Then divide by 6 on both sides of the equation. D is equal to 5. So we've managed to find D. So using equation 3, we can find A. So therefore, A is equal to 23 minus 5 times 5, 23 minus 25, which is negative 2. From these two, we can say our Tn is equal to negative 2. Remember A, we're substituting into this formula. Tn is equal to negative 2 plus n minus 1. And then times the difference, which is 5. And then this simplifies to Tn is equal to negative 2 distribute the 5 plus 5n minus 5. It becomes Tn is equal to 5n minus 7. Right. And then from this, we can find our T1, T2, T3 like that. Therefore, T1 is equal to 5 times 1 minus 7, which is equal to 2. T2 is equal to 5 times 2 minus 7, which is equal to 3. Then T3 is equal to 5 times 3 minus 7, which is equal to 8. Then the sequence is, oh, this is negative 2. This is negative 2 there. So the sequence is negative 2, 3, 8. It goes on like that.